In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an automatic date field in a fillable PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Adding a date field can significantly enhance the functionality of your PDF forms, making it easier for users to input dates quickly and accurately. So let's dive right in and see how it's done. First, start by opening your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you haven't done this before, don't worry, it's simple. Just launch Acrobat Pro and then open your PDF document by selecting File and Open from the menu. Once your document is open, look to the right panel and locate the All Tools tab. Here, you will find a variety of options to enhance your document. What you want to select is Prepare a Form. This tool will enable you to add interactive elements to your PDF, such as the Auto Date field. Next, you'll need to create the form by clicking on Create when the dialog box appears. Confirm your selection by clicking OK, and you'll enter the form preparation mode in Acrobat. Now in this mode, search for the Date field icon, which is used to insert date fields. Click on this icon. With this tool selected, you're ready to place the date field in your document. Find the appropriate spot on your page where you want the date to appear, then click and drag your cursor to draw the field. It's as easy as that. A little tip: make sure that the placement suits the layout and is easily accessible for users filling out the form. Once placed, you'll want to change your cursor back to normal. You can do this by clicking on Select Text. This will allow you to navigate more easily around your document without accidentally moving the fields. Now let's make sure your date field works exactly as you want. Double click on the date field, or alternatively right click and select Properties. This action will open a window where you can configure the settings of your date field, including the format of the date. Choose a format that best fits your needs. Options include short date forms like MMDDYYYY, or even long forms like month, name, day and year. Once you've configured the settings to your satisfaction, don't forget to click on Close to exit the Properties window. To see how your date field works, click on Preview at the bottom left corner. This switches you to a mode where you can test the field. You can choose your date by either typing it in or clicking on the drop-down arrow to use the calendar for selection. Make sure everything functions as expected before you finalize the form, and there you have it, a smoothly integrated automatic date field in your PDF form, all thanks to Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Feel free to go back and tweak anything if needed, and soon you'll be creating even more dynamic and interactive documents. Thanks for watching, and happy form creating.